Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Diarti Utami Putri. I am student from Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. Today, I would like to present my paper under the title Analysis of Student Error in Answering Questions on the Surface Area of Polyhedron based on Van Hiele theory. The first is introduction. Mathematics is one of the things that are familiar in life. One of the objectives of learning mathematics in school can be seen from the success of students in answering math problems. Student error in answering math problems should be an important concern for teachers at school. This error needs to be analyzed to find out the types of error made by students in answering the question given. Surface area of polyhedron is one of the mathematical materials in geometry. In studying geometry, most students fail to develop an accurate understanding of the concept, reasoning, and problem-solving skill of geometry. Therefore, it is necessary to analyze student error in answering geometry questions in order to evaluate geometry learning to improve student abilities in geometry. In this paper, the researcher adopted the theory from Newman to analyze the student error. According to Newman, student errors in answering math problems can be divided into 5 types, namely reading error, comprehension error, transformation error, process skill error, and encoding error. Beside Neumann theory to analyze student error in answering questions, it is also important to know that student geometric thinking level. The method used is Van Hiele theory, which allows us to know at what level a student's understanding of geometry is. Van Hiele theory divides understanding in geometry into 5 different levels, namely Level 0, visualization. Level 1, analyze. Level 2, informal deduction. Level 3, deduction. Level 4, rigor. After knowing the background, now we go to the next, its method. The research was conducted using descriptive qualitative research method. This study aims to describe what mistakes students make in solving surface area problems using the Van Hiele level of thinking. The subjects in this study were students of class 8 in one of the junior high school in Bengkulu city. Of the 32 students in the class, 6 students were selected, 2 from the high group, 2 from the medium group, and 2 from the low group. The research instrument used was questions regarding the surface area of polyhedron that fulfilled Van Hiele level of thinking and interview with students. Data analysis. Researchers analyzed student answers based on human error analysis and analyze geometry thinking level based Van Hiele theory. If the student answers the question correctly, the student will continue to answer the question at the next level. Otherwise, if the student is wrong in answering the question, the student will not continue to answer question at the next level. This is the table result from the paper. The result of this study indicates the student understanding of geometry, especially the surface area of polyhedron, is still relatively low. Discussion. From the figure, we can see there are only one student who failed answering the question. So the student was not success in passing level 0. Therefore, the student cannot continue to the next level. The error type is comparison error. The next figure, we can see that there are two students who failed answering the question. So, the students were not success in passing level 1. Therefore, the students cannot continue to the next level. The error type is comparison error. The next figure, we can see that there are two students who failed answering the question. So the students were not success in passing level 2. Therefore, the students cannot continue to the next level. The first student had errors in reading errors and encoding errors, and second student had errors in comparison and process skill errors. The last student was not success as the figure. The type of error was at reading error. The last section in this presentation is conclusion. Based on the result and discussion in the study, it can be concluded that the student error in answering questions about the surface area of polyhedron in this study consists of comparison error, reading error, process skill error, and encoding error. And it can be concluded that the level of thinking of class 8 students regarding the surface area of polyhedron based on Van theory is only up to level 0 to level 2. That's all about my paper presentation for today. Hopefully it will be beneficial for our future education. Thank you.